topic of accountancy is issue of debentures, and it is related with the issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Clear? Other than cash means a company closed its business and sold their own assets and liabilities to other company. Clear? For example, there are two companies. One wants to close its business and sell its own assets and liabilities to the other company. Then they are the lenders of that company who takes the assets and liabilities. They have to pay some amount in check, or in case of debenture they have to issue same number of debentures to that company who wants to take over their business. We can explain it with a story. Again, come on. These two students are in front of you. One running company, namely Harkirat and Company, and second one is Harshit Company. Harshit incurs some losses in his business and he wants to step down as its company's head. And Harkirat is interested to take over the company of Harshit. Clear? So Harshit sells its assets and liabilities to Harkirat. Clear, Vijay? Done? Then, if Harshit wants to sell its business to Harkirat, then the terms and conditions which are applied are set up by Harkirat. Okay? कि ये बेच रहा है, वो खरीद रहा है, तो उसकी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन चलती। क्लियर? और इफ Harkirat wants to the market leader, then he take over his company. Now he wants to take over his company, then the terms and conditions are applied by Harshit, not from Harkirat. Clear, Vijay? Then he gives his assets to him. He can't pay immediately, but issue a certificate to Harshit, which is an evidence of the amount due to Harshit and which carries an interest rate as well. Clear? That document is called debentures. Clear, Vijay? So this topic is related with issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Now, one company is the taking company and one is the selling their business. Clear with it? We have already discussed that debenture is an evidence of debt. So debt instrument carries debenture interest, which is amount paid to the debentures at a predetermined rate, 10%, 5%, 8%. Done? Then the person who wants to sell its assets and liabilities, it is known as vendor. It is known as vendor. So vendors provide their assets topic is issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. So a company can also issue debentures for consideration other than cash. Clear? Then in case of company buys some asset, instead of making payment to vendors, we have not to pay payment immediately to take over a business, but only a debenture certificate is issued. That is generally equal to the price of goods and services purchased. So whatever a company has to pay, the debentures in the form of debentures which are issued at par, at premium or at a discount. Clear? So So debentures can be issued for consideration other than cash. So it is of two types. First one is we have taken only assets. So the company which want to take over the business of the other, it is interested only its assets. So in this case, company buys only assets, and the debentures which are issued, these are of three types. One is at par, at a premium, and at a discount. To debit the receiver, first general entry which is passed is sundry assets account debit to vendor. So vendor one, who is vendor? Who is selling its? So in our example, who is vendor? Harshit. Harshit wants to sell its business. Clear, Vijay? So this one is the entry for taking asset. Entry is debit what comes in. So debit किसको करना है? Assets को. So asset account debit to vendor's account. Liability credited towards the vendor. So vendor is the person or company. So vendor is that person which gives. That is why it is credited. So journal entry is sundry assets account debit to vendor's account. Clear with it? Then for issuing debentures, a company creates liability. That is why it is credited. So which we have to pay to vendors, that amount is debited in front of vendor's account. So vendor's account debit to debentures account means at par means 100 rupees debenture has been issued to the vendors in their purchase consideration. Then the second option available for debenture holders is company issued debentures on premium. When a company is in position to take over the business of the other, means that Harkirat is taking over the business of Harshit for its own sake, then they issue debentures at premium. They are supreme position. There he is selling his business, he wants money, then he take advantage. Okay? Then he increases the price of the debenture. Then the excess amount which he charged for issuing debentures is transferred to securities premium reserve, which is a gain for the Harkirat. Clear हो गया? Then next option is discount. In case of debenture issued as discount, then discount is a loss for the company. Then entry is vendor's account debit, discount on issue account debit to vendor's account. There is a problem in front of us, that is X Industries Limited. X Industries Limited purchased machinery of book value of rupees 30,000 from Messrs. Y Manufacturers. Arshad, please stand up. In this problem, who is the vendor? It's Mr. X or Messrs. Y? Messrs. Y. Very good. Please sit down. So, Messrs. Y settled the account by issuing 312% fully paid debentures at par. This 12% shows the interest carried in this question. So what is the interest rate? 12%. Clear? Now, here we have to pass two general entries. First one, we are taking assets, and second one, we are giving debentures. Clear? So what is the first entry? Assets account debit to Clear? Please check it out. So Shri now debit to Messrs Y Manufacturers Limited, and second one is Messrs Y Limited Manufacturers account debit to 12% with 30,000. This is the question which arises debenture issued at par. Now the second one. A trading company limited purchased a truck from B Enterprises for rupees 55,000 and agreed to make the payment of purchase consideration by issuing 9% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 10%. Done, mate? Please set up. In this problem, who is the vendor? B Enterprises. Clear? And what is the amount of purchase consideration? 55,000. Clear? And what is the rate of interest in this case? 10%. It's 9%. Debenture interest is 9% and premium is 10%. Clear, Vijay? Please sit down. Now, in this case, we have to find number of debentures to be issued to the B Enterprises. Clear? Now, please take it down. Now please check it out. First entry is very simple. We have to take क्या लेना हमने truck. That is truck account debit to Messrs B Limited account with 55,000. Now we have to issue debentures which are at a premium of 10%. It influences the issue price. Otherwise, price of a debenture is rupees 100, and if we issue it at premium, then the premium amount is added to the amount of the face value. So face value increase हो जाएगा with 10%. Clear? What is the amount of 10% of 100? 10 rupees. So 100 plus 10. What is the issue price? It is 110. So now we have to find out the number of debentures issued to that particular company which is at 10% premium. Now this amount which is payable 55,000 divided by 110. So 11,500 is equal to 55. So that comes the exact number which is 500 debentures. So 500 debentures issued by the company to Messrs B Limited. Now what is the entry? It is the gain for the company which is issuing debentures. Then the entry is Messrs B Enterprises account debit with 55,000 to 9% debentures account which carries only and only face value which is 100. So 500 number of debentures multiplied by 100 is equal to 50,000 which is in front of 9% debentures, and the amount of premium which is rupees 10 per debenture is credited towards security premium reserve. So we have to open a new account that is called security premium reserve which is a capital receipt. Clear? Then to entry Messrs B Enterprises account debit with 55,000 to 9% debentures account that is 50,000, and to security premium account that is 5,000. Clear with it? To types of journal entries. One is issued at par, and second one is issued at premium. Done? Very good. Now come to the last point, that is issued at discount. Now, RP Limited, it is the taking over company. RP Limited purchased a power generator for rupees 72,000 from UP Traders Limited. Now here who is the vendor? UP Traders. So UP Traders is the vendor. Sir, what is the first entry? What will purchase? Very good. Power generator account debit to very good. UP Traders account. So first entry is power generator account debit to UP Traders account. Please sit down. It was agreed that RP Limited will issue 7% debentures of rupees 10 each at rupees 8 per डिबेंचर. तो कहते हैं कि आपके 10 रुपए का हम सिर्फ 8 रुपए देंगे, तो 2 रुपए क्या हो गया? डिस्काउंट. तो देयर आर 2 rupees discount while issuing debentures to the UP Traders. So discount is loss for the company. Clear? That is why it is debited while passing the journal entry. वैसे journal entry क्या है? UP Traders account debit to percentage debentures account. Now we have to adjust this discount amount as well in this journal entry. Now the journal entry is UP Traders account debit, discount on issue account debit to percentage debentures account. Clear with it? But while passing entry, we have to calculate number of debentures in this case as well. Clear? Now, what we have to pay? क्या पे करना है हमने? 72,000. एक डिबेंचर का रेट क्या है? 8 rupees. 10 का है 8 में जाए. Clear? So we have to divide this amount with this amount. So journal entry which comes, first one is power generator account debit to UP Traders, which is 72,000. डन बचे? क्लियर सबको? वेंडर कौन हो गया? UP Traders. We have to pay UP Traders this sum, that is 72,000. So we have to pay in number of debentures. Then we have to calculate number of debentures. The number of debentures to be issued, we have to find initially this figure, 72,000 divided by 8, discounted value, that is 8, that comes 9,000 debentures. Done बचे? So 9,000 debentures we have to issue to the UP Traders, and entry is UP Traders account debit with purchase consideration which we have to pay to the party, that is 72,000. These two, discount on issue and percentage debentures, their amount come out from this number, that is 9,000 debentures. So discount is 2 rupees. 9,000 multiplied by 2, 18,000. Very good. That comes in front of discount on issue of debentures. And 9,000 multiplied by 10, face value is 10. 90,000 comes in front of the 7% debentures. Topic clear with it? Yes. Then this topic is covered here, where we discuss purchase of assets by the company by issuing debenture instead of paying in the cash. So this is the topic, issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Clear with this सबको?